I love Bloveit because when me and my girlfriend used to plan date night, it used to never really happen because there's so much work that goes into actually planning a date, and we're both really busy people with travel, with work, with whatever else is going on in life. Bloveit really took a lot of the work out of that process and made sure we had an experience that was really unique, really personal, and honestly really unforgettable that we really look forward to every month. My favorite part about the Bloveit team is that they're really personal and they care about the experience. And you can see it from the events they pick for us, the fact that on my girlfriend's birthday, they actually gave us a birthday card that they had all signed, and the fact that they send us text messages and interact with us before and after and during every date to make sure it's a great time. They really care, and that stands out to me. Now it's my pleasure to introduce Ugo, CEO and co-founder of Bloveit. You got it, man.
If I were to ask you what comes to mind when you think of the online dating industry, my guess is you'd probably say something like Tinder, or maybe even eHarmony, Match.com, OkCupid. There's an app out there for all kinds of people. Men with beards, bacon lovers, men with beards who love bacon. The singles market is filled with tons of apps that help people meet each other. But what happens after you meet someone? How do you keep that relationship fun, fresh, and exciting long after the honeymoon phase is over? Well, today I'd like to introduce you to a completely new market that's 10 times bigger than the singles market, 5 times more lucrative, and completely untapped. It's called the couples market, and we're one of the pioneers in this multi-billion-dollar space. Hi. My name is Ugo Ezamuzie, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Bloveit. Bloveit is a date night concierge that helps busy couples put the spark back into their relationship. We do this by using your tastes and preferences to plan an entire date night for you without you having to do any of the work. We're already helping real couples in Atlanta plan awesome dinner dates, go on fun new adventures, and put the fire back into their romance. But our vision doesn't just stop with dinner. Our plan is to offer couples the most exciting date night experiences by combining dinner with fun activities, events, shows, and even travel, all at the click of a button. If you were to ask most couples, they'll tell you that they would love to do more date nights. But they never seem to make it happen as often as they would like. For example, have you ever had this conversation before? It's a Friday night, and your partner says to you, "Hey, so what should we do tonight?" And of course, you respond with, I don't know, what do you want to do, right? Now, show of hands, how many of you guys know that that was the wrong answer? Show of hands. It's a trick question, right? Because, especially if your significant other is going back and forth with you, and they end up giving you the same response. I don't know, what do you want to do, right? And after going back and forth a few times, you realize you're still at home, still on the couch, and still watching Netflix. Now let me show you how, in 3 simple steps, Bloveit makes planning a great dinner date night fast, easy, and absolutely delightful. First, Bloveit collects the tastes and preferences of you and your significant other, and we use them to build a couple's profile for you. We then feed that profile into our recommendations algorithm, where it's matched against various restaurant attributes to deliver 3 personalized restaurant recommendations for you to choose from every month. Second, Bloveit builds you your very own curated menu, where you can pick what you're gonna eat at the restaurant before you get there. Every menu item is especially selected for you and your significant other, taking into account your tastes, as well as any allergies and dietary restrictions. And third, pick when you're available, prepay, and you're all set. It works like magic, and it's that simple. On the night of your date, imagine walking into a restaurant you've never been to before. But this time, you're greeted by a host who welcomes you by name. When you get ushered to your seat, instead of your server handing you 2 menus, he or she hands you 2 of your favorite drinks. And just like that, your Bloveit experience has already begun. Your food arrives at a beautifully timed pace, and all you have to do is sit back, relax, and have a great time. Oh, and just like an Uber ride, after you're done, you can just get up and walk right out of the restaurant. No menu, no bill, no stress. Not only are we defining a completely new category, but we've created a completely new kind of dining experience. This VIP service allows us to make money in 2 ways. First, we charge couples a $9.99 monthly subscription fee to make date nights magical. And second, we charge the restaurants a 15 to 20% cut of the total restaurant bill, which on average is about $30 per couple per date. In the next 6 to 12 months, we plan to streamline our operations, significantly reduce planning costs, and execute on a scaling strategy that will allow us to fully launch the city of Atlanta and start expanding into new cities. At only 2,000 paying couples in Atlanta alone, we'll be making as much as $1 million in annual recurring revenue. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, because the couples market we're going after is huge, with over 50 million couples whose date night habits are both predictable and sticky. Just to put it in perspective, the singles market is a $5 billion market with a customer lifespan of only 3 to 6 months, while the couples market is a $50 billion market with a customer lifespan of 3 to 10 years. We launched this product about 5 months ago, and couples all over Atlanta have been raving about our service. That's why we've been able to grow our paid subscriber base by 100% every single month. Thank you. Our retention rate is at 97%, so not only are couples loving our service, but they're coming back month after month. And we've already worked with over 50 of the top restaurants here in the city. We're the team that's taking advantage of this massive untapped opportunity. My background is as a former investment banker and date doctor with years of experience in the couples industry. My co-founder Miguel is our CTO, and his background is in mechanical engineering and computer science, and he has already built the roadmap for automating Bloveit's operations. In summary, Bloveit is your personal date night concierge. We're solving a problem that millions of couples face every week. We're defining a brand new category. We're doing that with a highly profitable business model. We're growing at 100% month over month. We have a 97% retention rate and a great plan to automate and scale in a $50 billion market. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of date night is here, and all you have to do is Bloveit. Sign up today. Thank you. Sign up today at bloveit.com and use code Techstars to get your first 2 months free. Thank you.